Next one, an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 km per hour. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? So, suppose O be the point where the airport is. Two planes are there starting from the same airport, and one plane is leaving towards the north at the speed of 1000 km per hour, and the other one is moving towards the west at the speed of 1200 km per hour. So if we are marking the direction, how we can mark the direction? This is north, east, south, west. So the first plane is moving towards the north. That means the first plane is moving towards this direction. Okay, and we have to find how far apart the two planes will be after 1.5 hours. So I am marking the point A as the point in which the first plane reaches after 1.5 hours. What about the second plane? It is moving towards the west. Which direction we have to mark? To the left side, isn't it? So west. Let this be the position of the second aeroplane, and let B be the position in which the second aeroplane reaches after 1.5 hours. And the question is how far apart, means the distance between A and B after 1.5 hours. We took the point A as the position of the first aeroplane after 1.5 hours, and B be the position of the aeroplane after 1.5 hours. They are moving in different direction, and what the question is, after 1.5 hours, what will be the distance between these two? That means we have to actually find the distance AB, isn't it? So we are very sure that this is 90 degree. Okay. So we are supposed to find the hypotenuse. To find the hypotenuse, we require OA and OB. What is OA? A, I told, it's the position of the plane after 1.5 hours. That means OA will be the distance traveled by the train in 1.5 hours. Is it clear? O is the position of the airport, and towards the north the first aeroplane is moving, and we took the point A as the point in which the first aeroplane reaches after 1.5 hours. To find AB, we require OA. What is OA? OA is the distance traveled by the plane in 1.5 hours. Same way, OB is the distance traveled by the second plane in 1.5 hours. So OA will be the distance. How we can find the distance? We have a relation speed is equal to distance divided by time. From that, distance will be equal to speed into time. Okay, so OA is the distance traveled by the first plane in 1.5 hours. What's the speed of and the formula we have to apply is speed into time. Okay, what is the speed of the first aeroplane? It is 1000 km per hour. So 1000 into, what is the time taken? 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours. 1.5. If we need to convert into improper fraction, we can write as 3/2. Okay, that will be equal to 1000 by 2 is 500. 500 into 3 gives you 1500. Since OA is the distance, so OA will be 1500 km. Same way, calculate OB. What is OB? OB is the distance traveled by the second plane in 1.5 hours. So to find OB, what we can do? We can use the same formula, speed into time. What about the speed of the second aeroplane? The speed is 1200 km per hour. So speed is 1200 km. There also the time is 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours means it is 3/2. Okay, 1200 by 2 gives you 600. 600 into 3 gives you 1800 km. So we got OA as 1500 km and OB as 1800 km. So it is now easy to find AB using Pythagoras theorem. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. What we can write? AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. OA square, which is 1500, the whole square, plus OB square is 1800, the whole square. 15 square is 225. 0 is there. Square gives you 4 zeros. Plus 18 square is 324. And there are 2 zeros. So while squaring, we will be getting 4 zeros. So summing it up, we will be getting 0, 0, 0, 0 towards the end. 4 plus 5 gives you 9. 2 plus 2 gives you 4. And 3 plus 2 gives you 5. 5, 4, 9 and 4 zeros. It is AB square. We require AB. AB is equal to square root of 5, 4, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. Since there are 4 zeros inside the square root, if we are taking it outside, we will be getting 2 zeros. So 100 into square root of 549. Okay. How, if needed, we can write it here like this: 100 into square root of 549 kilometer. Otherwise, 100 into square root of 549 can be written as 61 into 9. 61 into 9 gives you 549. 9 is a perfect square. Its square root is 3. So 100 into 3 into root of 61. 3 into 100 gives you 300. So the distance between A and B, means the position of the plane after 1.5 hours, is 300 root 61 kilometer.